Uploading your first video on YouTube can feel scary. What if no one clicks? What if it looks bad? Don't worry. Today I'll walk you through step by step on how to upload your first video, optimize it and set it up to actually get views. By the end, you will hit published with confidence. Step 1. Head over to your Chrome, either in your mobile phone or your PC. Anyone is the same method. Don't forget, we are going to upload our first video, so you are going to use a YouTube Studio, the desktop version, so it can give us all the features we need. Follow the steps step by step, because if you miss any, you may likely not get views in your videos even after uploading it, and even if it's valuable. So head over to YouTube studio.youtube.com and open it up. Then log into your dashboard. Click that login, log into your dashboard. Take you into an interface like this. Beautiful, you are already in your channel dashboard, so you're going to head over to where we have create or use upload. Anyone serve the same purpose. So you're going to have a screen like this. You see drag and drop video files to upload, or you choose select files. Now remember to name your file with keywords before uploading it. For example, how to bake cake, or for example, the way you're going to see my title now in this video. If you've not watched how to rename your file name before uploading, please, I'm going to drop the link to that video in the description of this video. So go and watch that video first before you upload your video into your YouTube channel. Head over to click any of these, select files, or click to take you here where you have to enter into where you saved your file. So already I have my file. Here is my file. How to create. So watch what is going to happen. You've uploaded your first video and immediately YouTube picks it and started analyzing your video. Remember, when I uploaded, I didn't have to type this word file name. So if you don't watch that video, how to rename your file name before uploading, please do that. And you can see I didn't type title here, but it's already typed because I named my file very well. Remember, the moment you upload your video into the YouTube channel, YouTube picks the video immediately and process it. So you don't want to upload your video using some random numbers or some random codes that YouTube won't be able to understand. The next thing is your thumbnail. Upload. If you already have your thumbnail designed, remember the first thing you need to have ready is your thumbnail and the title of your video. Then you can go ahead and upload your thumbnail. I have it already. And then select the playlist you want this video to be in. I already created my playlist. If you've not watched the video on how to create a playlist, I will also drop the link in the description of this video so I can create your playlist and keep your videos more organized for viewers. So I'm going to head over to create this, then done. Please pay attention to this part. This settings is very important. Then you have no, it's not made for kids. It's already selected. Please, if it is made for kids, take it's made for kids. Remember, if it's made for kids and it's an adult video, you will not have the same impact. Open that show more to see other things that you need to set up. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alter footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. This part is very important. So none of these classify my video, my content. So altered content, no. Then you head over to automatic chapters. I don't want it. I want to review and do my chapters by myself if I want. Then allowed automatic places, no problem. You can allow it. It's not like I can allow it. It's no problem. Then allowed tags. These tags that you have seen here is already set in my channel. when we are doing channel settings, you have to input all these channel, the keywords that are related to your niche, to what you do. So all the keywords that are related to what I do is here. All right, so if I don't want anyone here, I can untick it. So you can change them if you don't want, you can remove them if you don't want anyone. So I proceed. English language. Now this part, if you have access to this part, make sure it is all ticked if you have access to this part. But as a new channel, you might not have access to this part, so it might not be there. You can add subtitles to your videos. If you've not watched that, how to add subtitles to your video, the link is in the description of this video. I'm going to drop it there. Go and watch it. Now, why do we do so? When you click that video, you will understand the reason why you need subtitles, because you don't want to limit your viewers to only a certain part of a country. Dubbing. Yes, this automatic dubbing is very important. It's like, adding captions to your videos, turning it on and off. So if you don't have it, if you don't have access to it yet, just watch the video I just said you should watch now. Then allowed, embedded, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. So this allowed embedded allows your YouTube videos to be seen in the search engine, maybe Chrome and other websites, because you allowed embedding. The link can be accessible, your video can be accessible. That's the reason why you upload a video, you'll find it on Chrome, on Google search as well. And then publish a subscription feed or notify the subscribers. If you have large subscribers, fine, you can take it. If you don't have it, you can remove it. So me personally, I need to remove it for now. I want to test my video. I want to allow my video to be sent across to anybody on YouTube, because I don't have enough, like, so much followers or subscribers. I don't have so much subscribers. Then short remixing. So I allowed video and audio remixing, yes, so that people can remix any part of my video, and as such it also gives me view and all of that. So this category is very important. Add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. So my video is about how to, so it's already styled very well, okay. And you can, you can select anyone that is related to your niche, so you are not limited. Then this comment, please pay attention. Your comment must be on so that people can comment. And then show how many viewers like this video. That one is already there. So when you are done with all of this, you're going to see next. You see next. Then the next thing is add subtitles. If you have the subtitles already typed, you can copy it and add it here. If you don't know how to add it, I made a video. The link is still in the description. Go and watch how to add it and how to download it. If you don't have it typed, then add end screen. End screen helps your viewers after watching your video. Then the end screen will suggest other videos to them. Do you understand? So don't skip this part. I'm going to add end screen to it. Like the videos I just mentioned, I'm going to that you should watch, I'm going to include them in the end screen so you can easily have access to them. So I choose any of these end screen style. I think I like this one, so this can go. You can adjust any of these, right? You can bring it down so that my 25 will show very well. End screen is supposed to be towards the ending of your video. So I'm going to select choose a specific video. So I already have a specific video in my mind. Number one video I said you should watch is how to add subtitle. Okay, file name, so easy. File name. Then the next one is how to add subtitles to your, no, that is not it. You can actually change it. You can, edit it and change it. Okay. You can as well search if you don't find it there, subtitles, so it can come up beautiful. So you select one is there. So you don't have to stress yourself to go, to start looking for it or something. You can easily click here, and it gives the viewers it gives your channel the chance for your viewers to watch other of your videos apart from the one they're already watching. So go ahead and click this save. So that one is saved. This is how you can upload your video the right way and get views, even views on your old videos. Then don't forget to add cards. Adding cards, if you see sometimes when you watch a video, YouTube video, when they are speaking, on the top of their head, you see something will pop up like a suggestion of a video they should watch next. So you can add a playlist or a video if you want. So I'm going to add a playlist, but I'm not going to add from the beginning here. I'm going to give a chance for the video to move. So I can use my hand and drag this arrow here that you are seeing here, okay, to a part that I want to start adding the card. So I can click this playlist and select this playlist, and also I can also move it to this part, right, and also select a playlist and also add a playlist. Okay, so I can have people watch multiple of my videos, and you go ahead and save it. Go ahead and save it. Okay, so this is nice. I think the next part, you click next. The next part is visibility. Now, okay, my video has been done. YouTube have finished assessing my video. So the checks is that there's no copyright issues in my video. That's the reason why you are seeing, that's the reason why you see this green tick here. Okay, look at it. Checks, no issues found. So your video is good to go. Okay, so you go ahead and click next for visibility. Now visibility allow it to remain unlisted. If your video is not done uploading, right, so allow it to be unlisted so that you can come back and make some corrections, adjustments to your videos, without changing anything or without affecting your views. If you put it on public immediately, you've not given the YouTube chance to assess your video, to analyze your video, understand what your video is all about, so that YouTube can promote it to a larger audience. So please don't limit view, just pushing it to public. Okay, don't push it to public, allow it to remain unlisted. This is very, very important. Your visibility is very important. Put it on unlisted, not public. Then if you want to schedule it, fine, that it should run maybe the next day, or if you have a specific day in mind, you can go ahead and click here and schedule it. And of course you can set it as premiere. We're going to talk about this some other day, but for now we are publishing it to unlisted. Great. So we are done with that. You go ahead and save it. Your video is in your channel. Congratulations, you have published your first video. Now relax, it's not yet public. Okay, it's not yet public. Now you come here, if you want to edit that particular, maybe after editing and making all the corrections and adjustments to your anything that you're doing to the channel, after doing all of those things, come back here, okay, to that same dashboard, to that same YouTube studio. You will see this place content. Okay, click on this content. You're going to see all your videos here. So this is a video we just uploaded. So you're going to click this pencil, like, to make changes to that video. So you are making changes to that video. Remember, I didn't add description. I'm going to add it after this recording. Okay, so add description. Let your description describe the essence of that video and carries the keyword as well. Okay, so your video is set. If you are okay with all the editing, come here and change it to what? Public, and it will go live. People can now see. But as long as it remains in unlisted or private, nobody can see it except the people with the links. And you don't want to start sharing your links because it's a new video. So keep calm, allow YouTube to do its own thing. I hope this video is helpful. Kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and leave a feedback in the comment section of this video so that I can improve and keep serving you better. Okay, thank you, and until then, see you in my next video. Bye.